Hello everyone, how are you all? In this chapter, we will learn about water and its usefulness. In this poem, we are given the importance of water, water sources, and its importance. Water, our lifeline. We know that the human body is made up of over 60 to 70 percentage of water. Water is very essential for us to stay alive. The body of all plants and animals contain water. Water found in three forms on the earth: solid, liquid, and gas. Ice is the solid form of water. Liquid water is found in lakes, ocean, rain, dew, fog, etc. And gaseous form of the water is known as the water vapor, that is invisible water in the atmosphere. Now, on heating, ice turning into water, and on more heating, water turning into water vapor. In this diagram we can see that how ice turning into water and water becomes the water vapor. Now, sources of water. The place from where water is obtained is known as the sources of water. There are mainly two types of sources, surface water and groundwater. We get surface water from lakes, ponds, streams, rivers, etc. And we get groundwater from the sources like open wells, tube wells, hand pumps, and step wells. In this diagram, you can see the all sources of water. Now, water storage. Why do we need to store the water? Because water is available for a short time in a day. We need water throughout the day for various small and big daily chores that we do. So, we need to store the water. But remember, always keep the drinking water in clean covered containers to prevent the illness. In our house, water is stored in an underground tank and in tank built on the terrace. It should be stored in covered vessel like pots, jars, buckets, etc. Right? Now, uses of water. In which activity we need water? Water can be used for direct and indirect purposes. We need water to do our all the day activities, for example drinking, cooking, bathing, washing the clothes and utensils, and other activities like farming, dispersal of seed, water transportation, construction, electricity production. In these all activity, water is must. So water is very important. Now, water cycle. Water from the seas and from the earth's surface form water vapor and evaporates to form clouds, and when clouds condense they come down again as rain. This is known as the water cycle. Water cycle involves mainly three processes: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. First, evaporation. Evaporation is the pathway that water moves from the liquid state back into the water cycle as atmospheric water vapor. Then second part is condensation. Condensation is the process by which water vapor in the air is changed into the liquid water. And then third one is precipitation. Precipitation is water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, or hail. Okay, so this is all about the water and its importance. Thank you. Bye. Take care.